Hello everyone. Well, a cold front's going to be working over northwest Indiana this afternoon, so there is a chance of showers and storms and a small chance of severe storms that we have to talk about. So let's get to all the details in your Thursday forecast, sponsored by NIPSCO. Already ahead of this cold front, seeing some isolated showers and storms. So during the morning hours, not a high chance of rain, but I do have to mention a small chance. I will say with this morning activity, the best chance of catching a shower or storm is looking like Newton and Jasper County, where the humidity is going to be a little bit higher. Now, the cold front itself, I think, is going to be right on our doorstep at 1 o'clock this afternoon. So I do think that means that most of us are going to top out in the mid-80s for highs before temperatures start to come down a little bit behind this front. And normally, we talk about the rain chance going up with the cold front, right? Well, not this time. This is a unique situation where it looks like some dry air is actually going to start working in ahead of the cold front. Normally, all the dry air is behind the cold front. Well, in this situation, we're actually seeing some dry air work in ahead of the cold front. So what that means is when the cold front itself is working over us, our rain chance is not going to go up. We are still just going to see isolated showers and storms. The problem is the storms that are able to pop up could be severe. So let's take a look at 3 o'clock. And I definitely think the higher chance of showers and storms and the higher chance of severe storms is definitely to the east of us. In fact, I'm showing this model because it's a real possibility that we could be completely dry in northwest Indiana at 3 o'clock, even though the cold front is going to be over us. Because look at temperatures actually starting to come down in Lake Porter and LaPorte County. And I will say, though it's not a guarantee that you're going to see rain with this cold front, you will know when this cold front has arrived because temperatures are going to come down some, and it's going to be windy as this cold front is working over us. Look for widespread wind gusts around 30 miles per hour. Now, this is also a cold front that is losing its punch, weakening and slowing down. So it's going to take a while to clear us. So I've got to keep the chance, though small, for isolated showers and storms going into the late afternoon, particularly across the southern part of the region at this point, and Newton and Jasper County. But notice the better chance of showers and storms still to the east. I want to keep in the chance of showers and storms until the cold front clears us, which looks to occur about 7 o'clock this evening, so the rain chance going away. So some isolated showers and storms this morning, but no severe storms. And then isolated showers and storms this afternoon from 1 o'clock to 7 o'clock as the cold front is working over us. Not a guarantee you're going to see a shower or thunderstorm with this cold front. And what this map is showing is where the highest chance of rain is, and therefore the highest chance of severe storms, though not a high chance of severe storms. I've got to say that for Lake County and Newton County, the chance of even seeing a shower or thunderstorm is very small. The chance of showers and storms in Porter and Jasper County is higher, but the highest chance of catching a shower or storm with this cold front from 1 o'clock to 7 o'clock is going to be in LaPorte County, and that's what's being indicated, especially the eastern part of LaPorte County, and that's what's being indicated by that shade of yellow. So just isolated activity during the afternoon hours, but keeping an outside chance, especially in LaPorte County, for an overachieving storm that could produce wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour and penny-size hail. So that's the bad news. Now, let's get to the good news. Tonight, after 7 o'clock, once that cold front is clear of us, completely dry. In Lake Porter and LaPorte County, it is looking like the low to mid-60s for lows. But Newton, Jasper County getting down into the upper 50s. Also, once the cold front is clear of us, not windy anymore, but we will continue to see a light breeze tonight, gusts around 15 miles per hour. And oh man, is it going to be a nice Friday. Partly cloudy skies, no chance of rain. We're talking about mid to upper 70s being common, low 70s right next to the lake, and still not much wind, just a light breeze, gusts around 15 miles per hour.